This 2021 Gulf Stream Enlighten 27 BHS is a travel trailer RV. It is located in Williamstown, New Jersey, 08094 and is offered for sale by Whitehorse RV Center. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This used Gulf Stream is 29 feet 6 inches in length and features sleeps 8, refrigerator, slide-out, air conditioning, oven, microwave, and 30 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this travel trailer features bunk beds, front bedroom, rear bath, 2 entry, exit doors. The unloaded weight of this 2021 Gulf Stream Enlighten 27 BHS is 5,177 pounds. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.